Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add borders into an image. How you can add borders to an image in Microsoft Word. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time you upload a tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word open up here. So in our previous tutorial, I'll show you how you can crop this image into a circle. So the link to that will be in the description. But in this tutorial, like I said, I'm just going to show you how you can add a border to it. Right? So now, once you add the border, just click on the image that you are trying to add the borders to, and then you'll see you have this picture tool that is open up here. Once you click out, it's no more there, but the moment you click on your image, you have this picture tool format right here. So click on that, and then you have all these steps. Now, if you come here, you see you got this picture border right here, right? So click on that, and then you have that. So now you can choose the color that you are trying to add to, right? You can choose the color of your border that you would like to make. Let's just pick blue, right? Now, as you can see, if you look close, it's the only way you will see it, but it's too small. So now you can increase the size of your border. Click on the border, picture border, and then come to weight. So now you have all these options. You can increase the weight. As you can see, it's now big, right? So that's how you can increase the weight. Now you can also, you have different options of the border. If you come to dashed, right, you have this. You can choose the type right there. Those are also options. As you can see, you can choose that. And then you can also, if you come down here to picture weight, you can come to more lines, and then once you click on more lines, this tab format will be opening up. Now you can come to, once you click on compound, click on compound type here, you have these options as well, right? You have that. As you can see, you got that, and then you can increase the width here if you want to, right? And then just click off or just click out, and then as you can see, you have added that type of borders right there, right? So yeah, that's just different type of borders that you can add to an image, that you can use to an image. So yeah, everything is just in this picture border option right there. Everything is just in this tab right here. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. We'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.